restoring your life on tonight. The things that you don't even like about yourself, God, what do you want him to do? And on tonight, I pray for restoration. God, restore identity on tonight, oh God. Let your people know that they are fearfully and wonderfully made, oh God. Let them know that they are the head and not the tail, oh God. Let them know that they are above and not beneath, oh God. Lord, Jesus, the image that they see in the mirror, oh God. Father God, the weight that they're carrying on their backs, oh God. Let them know that, Father God, that you are a burden bearer, oh God. God, that you can remove anything, oh God. Lord, restore, oh God. Restore our churches, oh God. Lord, restore worship, oh God. Lord, pure worship, God, a pure praise, oh God. Pure praise and, Father God, a clean hands and a pure heart, oh God. Lord, we thank you on tonight, Father God, for being God and God all by yourself, oh God. Lord, Father God, I ask on tonight, Father God, that you restore our schools on tonight, oh God. That, Father God, that we'll place worship back in schools on tonight, oh God. That we restore, Father God, worshiping our homes, oh God. That we can worship in the church, oh God. Lord, I ask on tonight, Father God, that you restore relationships on tonight, oh God. Mothers and daughters relationships, oh God. Fathers and sons relationship, oh God. Sisters and brothers relationship on tonight, oh God. Lord, restore, oh God. There, God, the brokenhearted, oh God. The confused minds on tonight, oh God. Don't know which way to go.